Good morning, everyone. So it's actually really nice outside today. It's a little chilly, not too sunny. So I think this is the perfect time to get in and plant up the rest of the flower bed. So that's what is on task for today. And then I'm also going to try to pot up these peppers. They are getting really big. They're actually putting on blossoms, and I've been pinching them off as much as I possibly can, but I think it's definitely time to get them potted up. Look at the strawberries, we're getting flowers. That's so nice. Okay, so that's what we're going to be getting done today, the flowers towards the end. And then what else did I want to do today? I think that's it. So flowers, peppers, main things today. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be trying to follow what we did up top. Not exactly, but loosely in the position of everything. So I do remember that we had the cosmos towards the back row. I just want to make sure that I am not blocking the artichoke. They're going to get pretty big, and that I'm also not blocking the blueberry. I may not have to worry too much about the blueberry, at least for this year. Here's the calendula, and again we have the snow princess in this one. Roots insane. I'm just gonna break that up. Just gonna put these here and here. And I think this is the zeolites calendula. Also some insane roots. Looks really good for the most part. I'm gonna drop them here, here, and here. So maybe, actually I think I'm gonna do a cluster here. I just really want to watch out for the artichoke because I now know how massive they can get. It's one thing to see the sizing on the packaging of the seeds. It's another thing to see it in person. So now I stay as far away as I can whenever I plant the artichokes. Then we have some pincushion scabiosa here. I don't know if I have space for this one here. Then we have, I think this is the Black Eyed Susan. Actually, I think I'm gonna put her right here, maybe. And then these, what are these? I don't remember. Give me a second, let me go check. Okay, so these are the Black Knight Scabiosa. I really hope I'm saying this correctly. And I'm just gonna put these right along here. So I am not planning to add any fertilizer to any of these holes because I am going to top it up with black cow compost, just as I did with the other bed. The only thing that I realized when I was doing the other bed was because I just wanted the nice black top, I should have just planted everything and then spread the black cow. So now I am learning from my mistake. Well, not fully a mistake, but learning from my preference and making sure that I plant up everything before I add the compost. I really just want to use half of this. So I'm going to be just mindful of where I'm spreading it. I don't want to just dump the whole bag. So this is how it's all looking. So we have the tulips here, and then I planted the African daisies in between. I wish I had a couple more. And then here we have the black-eyed Susans. Some of them is a little bit covered by the compost. We have the allium. I think that one is purple, but we shall see. We have some artichokes, some salvia back there, calendula, some scabiosa, calendula, and this is some echinacea. Then we have the cosmos right back here, and the, what is that again? The aster, the apricot aster. So this is how everything is looking. I still have to do this one and that one, but they have some nice colors currently because of the tulips. So I'm really happy with that. I need something to balance it. I may even do the 3 yarrows here as well. I'm not sure, but I do have to dig them up from underneath the cherry tree. Let's see how much work I want to put in right now. They're actually not very hard to dig up. Once the soil is loose or even just mildly workable, you shouldn't have an issue. But I definitely do want to get these weeds up. I should have had this bed covered with something at least to help suppress the weeds, but I didn't. So here we are. So I did the putting down of the compost both ways, before I plant and after, and I definitely realized that I like doing it before. Oh, this is so much easier. What was I thinking? These tulips went through so much. I'm so surprised that so many of them came up. They were just constantly being eaten. But I'm definitely going to get some more for next year and just put some chicken wire over the top. It's not going to look good during that time, but at least they will be protected while they are young and still coming up. Once they come up, they don't seem to be bothered, or it doesn't seem that the squirrels and stuff bother them as much. But once they're tidbitty babies, everything seems to like to feed on them. So for this area, oh God, my knees. For this area, I decided to grab some double blend Sweet Williams. They are actually a biennial, so you'll get all these beautiful leaf growth or shoot growth the first year, and then the second year, that's when you'll actually get the flowers. And then I'm just going to flank each side with a Black Eyed Susan. I don't know the variety for this one. Just gonna grab the shovel. Put that over there. And I'm essentially gonna put the Sweet William, I'm just gonna fill up all the spots with it. I am losing roots here. Oh, there's so many. Okay. So here's a close-up of what it looks like now. And to remind you guys and myself, at the front we have the pincushion scabiosa. Then we have the yarrows. We have a Indian summer. Wait, where am I pointing? The Indian summer black-eyed Susan. Then we have some black-eyed Susan here and there. And all in between here are some Sweet Williams. So we shall see how that looks all together. So we're able to get both these beds planted up. Got to get some black mulch for here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this one. This was one of my favorites. I'm so happy with how everything is turning out. And I hope to see you guys for the next video. Hi, Amelia. Love you.